हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फिजिक्स प्लस। आज हम इसमें यूनिट फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स के टॉपिक गॉस थ्योरम की एप्लीकेशंस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे। और फर्स्ट एप्लीकेशन डिस्कस करेंगे हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू यूनिफॉर्मली चार्ज्ड स्टेट कंडक्टर। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल इंडिकेशन को हिट करना न भूलिए, जैसे कि आगे आने वाली वीडियोस आप रेगुलरली देख सकें। तो टॉपिक स्टार्ट करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ड्यू टू ए स्टेट कंडक्टर, चार्ज कंडक्टर। सपोज here state charge conductor infinity long at which plus q charge is uniformly distributed over it. The linear charge density of this wire is lambda. Suppose there is a point P at a distance small r from this state conductor, at which the electric field due to this conductor is to be calculated. For this, draw a Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface, what is Gaussian surface? Symmetrical about this state conductor. Suppose it is a straight conductor and a symmetrical Gaussian surface will be in the shape of right cylinder. Okay, so draw a Gaussian surface passing through point P and symmetrical about the sides. The length of the Gaussian surface is suppose small l. To find the electric flux passing through the Gaussian surface, consider a small area element dA at the Gaussian surface. The area vector dA vector will be perpendicular to this, and due to the symmetry, the electric field will be equal at all the points on the Gaussian surface and will be radially outward. So the electric field will also be in this direction. ठीक है, electric field will also be in this direction. Like suppose this is point P, EA and electric field. Okay, now the electric flux passing through the whole Gaussian surface. हम स्मॉल एलिमेंट के थ्रू नहीं इसको बात कर रहे, हम डायरेक्ट आते हैं होल सरफेस के लिए, इंटीग्रेट करेंगे फॉर द क्लोज सरफेस. ओके, सो इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स पासिंग थ्रू Gaussian surface. Phi E is equal to integration for closed surface E dot dA. जैसा हमने प्रूफ ऑफ गॉस थ्योरम में किया था, बिल्कुल उसी तरह से. ओके, हियर integration closed surface E dA cos theta. And what is the angle between E and dA? Since E and dA both are in the same direction, so the angle between them will be 0 degree. So it is cos 0. Or we may say integration for closed surface E dA or E integration dA. Is it clear? Now, Gaussian surface. Gaussian surface like this. Cylinder. It is the cylinder. Okay. The electric flux. What is electric flux? The electric field lines passing perpendicular to any surface. So, the electric field lines will be in this way from the Gaussian surface, and in this way at the end of the Gaussian surface. So, the electric flux will be only through the curved surface of the Gaussian surface and not on the ends of the Gaussian surface. So, at this place, we may write E into curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi r h. Here h is equal to L, so it is 2 pi r L, equation first. Is it clear? Since it is the application of the Gauss theorem, so according to the Gauss theorem, the total electric flux passing through any closed surface is Q upon epsilon naught, equation second. So, from equation first and second, phi E, so this will also equal E into 2 pi r L is equal to Q upon epsilon naught, equation number 3. Is it clear up to here? हमने फर्स्ट इक्वेशन निकाली. Since it is the application of the Gauss theorem, so according to the Gauss theorem, second equation हमने निकाली. From equation first and second, we calculated that E into 2 pi r L is equal to Q upon epsilon. Now, here equation third, but we know that lambda is equal to Q upon L, linear charge density, or Q is equal to lambda L. So, equation third becomes E into 2 pi r L is equal to lambda L upon epsilon naught, L cancel out, and E is equal to lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r. It is the expression for the electric field at a point due to state charged conductor.